So you have a school with Teachable now, and you're wondering if you need a custom domain. And what is a custom domain anyhow? Well, to find out more, just stick around. Hi, I'm Cynthia. I help people create and sell online courses. In today's video, I'm going to describe the two available options to you when you have a Teachable school and you want to use a custom domain instead of the standard domain that they give you automatically. So let's dive in. Your first option is to register a new domain. So start by going to your preferred registrar like Google Domains and type in the domain you want to register. Then go through the list and pick the one that you like the best. Usually people go for .com for commercial businesses. Then the next screen, you're going to be able to toggle off the privacy protection and the auto renew. So auto renew is there just to make sure that you don't forget to renew your domain. Every year you have to renew it. And there's, for me, there's going to be the $17 fee every year. And that's Canadian dollars. And the privacy, that is so that the contact information on who is going to either be private or not, depending on your preference. So just as an example, here's my site, cynthianorman.com, where I have not bothered with setting privacy on. So this is the information that someone sees when you have privacy off. So it's just really your name, address, and your phone number. So, and I have all that information on my website anyhow. So back in Teachable, this is the domain they automatically give you when you open up your school. And when you're ready to get a custom domain, you actually need to have the basic plan or higher. So to get started, you create a new domain. And for me, I want to have cynthianorman.com for my school domain. And so I'm going to enter that in here, and then I just wanted to let you know if you're having trouble setting up your CNAME record with your domain registrar, you can fire me off an email. I'm happy to help. Your second option is to create a subdomain. So I'm with Bluehost and my subdomain is courses. So I want my school to be at courses.cynthianorman.com. Teachable support provides some steps to follow to create your CNAME. Like I said, email me if you're struggling with any of this. This is what it looks like when you create a CNAME record. For me, my courses.cynthianorman.com site is going to point to my school. All right, so back in Teachable, I want to make this my school domain, right? So first you check the domain. Then you make it the primary domain, and you're done. So now when I send people to courses.cynthianorman.com, that's my school's homepage. Now I want to show you how to add new links to your Teachable site, your homepage. So what I did was I added two, Work With Me and Blog. I'm just going to show you the Work With Me link. So you can have your link in your top nav bar or your footer. You get to pick whatever text you want. And then the link points back to my main website, cynthianorman.com. And then I can have that open up into a new tab or not. And I want it to be visible to all. So I'll just cancel out of that. And that's it. That's what it looks like. Well, I hope you learned something helpful, and if you have any questions, just drop me a comment below the video. And otherwise, bye for now, and thanks for watching.